If Steam is throwing a fatal error or a DLL error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that can solve the problem in just a few steps. This is a great method if Steam refuses to open, keeps crashing, or shows an error related to missing or broken files. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss the final step, and if this video helps you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes Steam is still running in the background even if the window is closed, and that can cause the error to keep coming back. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open to Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, click More Details so you can see all the running processes. Now look through the list for anything related to Steam. You may see Steam Client Bootstrapper, Steam Client webhelper, or just Steam itself. Click each Steam process one by one and select End Task. The goal here is to make sure Steam is fully shut down before we try the fix. Once all Steam processes are closed, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the Run window, type steam://flushconfig exactly as shown. This command tells Steam to refresh its configuration and clear out any damaged settings that may be causing the fatal error or DLL problem. After typing the command, press Enter. Steam may take a moment, and then it should restart automatically. If a prompt appears asking whether you want to allow the action or continue, go ahead and confirm it. When Steam opens again, it will rebuild some of its settings, which often fixes the error right away. Now, after Steam restarts, sign in if needed and check whether the problem is gone. In many cases, this simple flush config step is enough to fix a broken Steam launch, especially when the issue is caused by corrupted local configuration files rather than a bigger Windows problem. If Steam still gives you trouble after this, make sure you repeat the process carefully and confirm that every Steam process was fully closed in Task Manager before running the command again. That detail matters, because if Steam is still partially active in the background, the fix may not apply correctly. Also, if you're getting a DLL-related fatal error, this same method can help because it refreshes Steam's startup configuration and clears out issues that can interfere with loading properly. It's a safe first step, and it does not require reinstalling Steam or deleting your games. So, to quickly recap, first close all Steam processes in Task Manager, then open Run with Windows plus R, type steam://flushconfig, and press Enter to restart Steam with fresh configuration settings. That's the easiest way to begin fixing a Steam fatal error or DLL error without going through a full reinstall. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software and gaming fixes. And if you want, leave a comment letting me know whether this solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.